what's good, guys? So now we back like from the garage. You know what I'm saying? We just entered the car seat. So yeah, we finna just gonna go get our parents' reaction. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I get what's like how they gonna react and everything. Though I'm so nervous, guys. Ish, new whip, bro. New whip. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, yeah. Congratulations to me at the age of 19. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're not like discouraging you guys, but we're just inspiring. You know what I'm saying? Take notes, guys. Take notes. You know what I'm saying? So now, yeah, we just gonna finna like go to the house, cause like we just fetched it from the garage. You know what I'm saying? You can all see it's clean, new. Oh, yeah, man, oh, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't know how my parents are gonna react about it and all the family. But then yeah, without further ado, like let's catch their reaction. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're just about to arrive now, and we'll see how it goes, my man. You know, but you know the vibes. We've started from a long way till we got here. So just wanna finna thank God for all of this. You know what I'm saying? Cause we could have then done it without them and everything. So let's see how they react, my man. So yeah, I'm sure they're asking themselves to go see who's this guy that's coming. Cause like usually my car is here, the one that's here. You know what I'm saying? As you can see what's going on, the family's happy, you know what I'm saying? We just cooked the new one, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, come let's get it. So like out of 10, out of 10, how much do you rate the car? 10 out of 10,
10 out of 10.
Nah, we scooped it like a nice whip, guys, you know what I'm saying? So like out of 10, we'll rate the guy out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, yeah. Let's hear like from the mother, you know what I'm saying? This is my mother, you know what I'm saying? Out of 10,
10 out of 10, my
10 out of 10.
Jesus.
Yeah. Shout out, guys. Yeah. Out of 10,
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, guys, I finna like give me some car tour, you know what I'm saying? It's coming soon on the main channel, you know? So yeah, we're gonna get it. So without further ado, come check it out. I feel like you know. So how's the wood? I got it like I signed in like the papers during the week, then I got it this morning. Yeah.
I know something it. Like it sounds like it.
It was gonna and then never be surprised most.
You
know what's the vibes. Yeah. Man, what's going on with your hair now? So what if I wanted to take you now? Are we hoping I'm gonna come later on like for us to scoop some pictures, you know? So yeah, I'm fine. Yeah. I'm a cutter. How's the new whip? How's the new whip? I was telling you about it. We just push it.
in life, isn't it? Nah. Go on. This one is decent. Come this way. This one is yeah. Yeah, he goes down. This one is acted so so I would say no much. Why you Nah. Just call me Anemia. Nah. Guys, wait till I get it chilling. Nah. I'm not too cold. For now, we still relaxing. Guys, next one, Mercedes Benz. We're getting it. How good.
You're joking, yes.
I'm joking. Hey, man, I wasn't joking. So, this is it. Congrats to you, you know. 10,000. Nah, we're sending it after this video.